This adage is so true, so crucial, so applicable, and the ultimate way to go. Way to go. The old order changeth, yielding place to the new. Listen, please understand. Just like clothes become, you outgrow clothes or shoes or toys or vehicles or anything. Likewise, life too outgrows people. Roles outgrow individuals. And we outgrow our former self. The old order is changing every day, yielding place to the new, giving the new a new opening. So, are you changing with the old order? Are you abiding with this eternal principle of law? Are you new every day, every moment? Because if you're not, and you're not living in harmony, in sync with the basic, most fundamental rhythm of life, which is that every day is a new day. But are you new every day? Ask yourself that. You will find many solutions.